Hello, welcome to Edubbey dynamic page. Today, let us look at blockchain in legal tech and smart contracts, transforming legal processes. 1. Introduction. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing the legal industry by introducing transparency, efficiency, and security to traditional legal processes. Smart contracts powered by blockchain automate and streamline legal agreements, enabling self-executing contracts with tamper-resistant and immutable records. 3. Key applications of blockchain in legal tech. Smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing contracts with predefined terms and conditions encoded on a blockchain. These automated contracts facilitate secure and transparent transactions without the need for intermediaries, reducing costs and inefficiencies associated with traditional contract execution. Identity management. Blockchain enables secure and decentralized identity management solutions, where individuals maintain control over their digital identities and personal data, reducing the risk of identity theft and fraud. Evidence management. Blockchain can be used to timestamp and authenticate digital evidence, such as electronic records, emails, and multimedia files, ensuring their admissibility and integrity in legal proceedings. 4. Advantages of blockchain in legal tech. Transparency and accountability. Efficiency and cost savings. Trust and reliability. Emerging use cases. As blockchain technology matures, new use cases and applications in legal tech, such as decentralized dispute resolution, tokenized assets, and digital identity solutions, will emerge, further transforming the legal landscape. 7. Conclusion. By embracing blockchain-based solutions, legal professionals can streamline operations, reduce costs, and enhance trust and reliability in legal transactions, paving the way for a more efficient, accessible, and equitable legal system.